Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can activate pairing mode manually in your Sennheiser earbuds. Okay, so to do this we have to grab both earbuds and the indicators we can find on the back. So when you click and hold this touch control panels for like 3 seconds, and these indicators will start blinking blue and red. So let's do this right now. Click and hold, take a look for the indicators. As you can see, they are blinking and our earbuds appears on available devices list. So we can simply connect them, accept pairing request, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.